Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on a 2027 Scout 220 XSF. This boat is powered by a Mercury 200 V6. I'm on the swim deck right now. We've got two pieces, both with sea deck on it. We've got a freshwater washdown at the rear, four rod holders along the back, cup holders, and a fold-out aft seat. You'll see here on the port side, we've got a cool live well with a picture window on the front. Along the inside of the gunnels, we've got rod holders, boat hook holder, and as we look at the leaning post, we've got an igloo cooler, cup holders, rod holders, really nice interior done by Scout here. You'll see some of the patterning on here. We've got nice fold down bolsters, great visibility on this boat, windshield on the front and the sides, full height windshield. We've got our digital throttle and shift, Lumar steering wheel, Mercury vessel view, which is going to help out with all of your engine information, our Garmin multifunction display, and a Fusion radio. We've also got cup holders and some nice storage here with USB outlets. The hardtop itself is a new design from the previous 215 XSF. See, we've got some lighting, some speakers, some storage, all fiberglass, really nicely done by Scout. As we go past the helm, we've got battery charger and then a large storage area. There's a couple of fold down areas for some tools, extra storage, really nice space there under the helm. As we come up to the bow, we get our nice lounge seat. Underneath here is our fish box. So if you wanted to load that up with ice, either use for your catch of the day or beverages, sandwiches, really nice space under there. And then here at the bow, we've got removable backrests. Behind that, we've got cup holders and some throw storage area. You'll see the speakers here at the bow, storage underneath the seats, and then our anchor underneath here. And then we've got the cool dual function cup holders slash rod holders. So really nice redesign by Scout. This boat is awesome for going out fishing, spending time with the family. Very nice, capable size. It's a great boat, and Scout always does a great job. So nice redesign by Scout. Come on down to MarineMax Westbrook, Connecticut, and check it out.